Now let us apply the method's length to simplify 3 over 4 plus 1 over 5 plus 2 over 3. We mentioned that to solve addition of fractions like this, the first thing you want to do is to find the LCM of the denominators. In this case, LCM of 4, 5, and 3. After that, the next thing you want to do is to write the equivalent of these fractions with the LCM of the denominators as a common denominator. And then finally, you then add up those 3 equivalent fractions in this case. So let's apply it. Solution. Step 1 is to find the LCM. So we'll look for the LCM of 4, 5, and 3. Let's do that quickly. 4, 5, and 3. 2 goes in 4 twice. We still have 5 and 3 here. Then 2 into 1. Still have 5 and 3. Then we have 3, 1, 5. Then this is 1. And then finally 5. 1, 1, 1. So therefore, our LCM becomes 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Now 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 times 3, that is 12. And then 12 times 5 will give us 60. So that is our LCM is 60. Now that we have our LCM, step 2 is to write these fractions, find the equivalent of those fractions with a common denominator of 60. So therefore, 3 over 4 will become what? What do I need to multiply 4 by to give me 60? The number you have to multiply 4 by to give you 60 is 15. Therefore, we then have 3 multiplied by 15 for the numerator and 4 multiplied by 15 for the denominator. And this will give us, at the numerator, we'll have 3 times 15 to give us 45. And then 4 times 15 will give us 60. That is 3 over 4 is 45 over 60. Now let's do 1 over 5. For 1 over 5, what do I need to multiply by 5 to give me 60? The answer is 12. So we have 1 times 12 over 5 times 12. And 1 times 12 will give us 12. And then 5 times 12 will give us 60. Therefore, 1 over 5 becomes 12 over 60. The next thing we want to do is for 2 over 3. Now, what do I need to multiply by 3 to get us to 60? That will be 20. Therefore, we have 2 times 20 over 3 times 20. And 2 multiplied by 20 will give us 40. And then 3 multiplied by 20 will give us 60. So now you see that we have 3 fractions all having the same denominator of 60. Now we'll perform the addition of these 3 fractions. That is, we have 45 over 60 plus 12 over 60 plus 40 over 60. Now what does this give us? We draw a common, the division line and then we write down our common denominator and then add up the numerators. 45 plus 12 plus 40. Now when we add all of that together, what do we get? 45 plus 12 will give us 67. 67 plus 40 will give us 107. Good. Now, let's convert this into mixed fraction. 107 will go just once, and that will give us a remainder of 47. And then we have over 60. So therefore, we can now conclude by saying 3 over 4 plus 1 over 5 plus 2 over 3 will give us one whole number, 47 over 60. And this is how we solve this problem. Thank you.